Yes, as you can already see, we are here to see the 2020 C8 Corvette. The front of the C8 looks fresh, new, and familiar. But most importantly, it still shares the same DNA as its predecessor, equipped with blue LED headlights that resemble the striking look of a lightsaber. The front bumper is aggressive, sharp, and sleek. The massive front vents help aid cooling for two radiators located within the front bumper. The front compartment is pushed 16 inches to the front to support the mid-engine and give the new C8 an American exotic appeal. Sporting 19-inch wheels in the front and 20 inches in the rear, the C8 is launching from 0 to 60 in 3 seconds. This convertible will be 100 pounds heavier than the standard coupe.
Not one championships.
Not two.
LeBron, tell us about that.
Not two.
But 3 radiators, if equipped with the Z51 package, 2 in the front and 1 in the passenger right rear corner. Made in America. Chevy small block LT2 6.2 liter direct injection V8 that produces 495 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of torque, all going to the rear wheels via Tremec 8-speed dual clutch transmission. The C8 offers the first ever retractable convertible hardtop on a Corvette that you can operate up to 30 miles per hour. The C8 is going supercar hunting with its driver-focused cockpit that is inspired by modern jet fighters. The interior being positioned towards the driver truly helps you become fully immersed in the driving experience. Just to think, this Arctic White C8 has a top speed of 194 miles per hour. If you enjoyed this video, tap the like button. Smash the subscribe button. Definitely plan to own this vehicle in the near future. I definitely see myself buying this vehicle. Stick with the ride if you're new to the channel. I'm Tony Rivera. This is Street Car Driving. I hope you enjoy your day, however it's at.